Here's my new Virhuck 1/32 scale mini off-road vehicle. Let's get it out of the box and have a look and see what it looks like. Here's a charging cable. It's a normal USB type charging cable with one of these small connectors on the end, so that's fairly standard. Car and the remote controller, they're both fastened into boxes with these cable ties. One of these soft shell bodies, which I guess you can probably remove over the top. Yeah, there's a little sort of cutout so that you can remove it over the top of these pillars if you want to, but I'm not going to take it off just yet. 2.4 gigahertz on-off button here. It's obviously got some charge in it because the light lights up when I turn it on. Found the charging port. It's just down here, just under the body, so you plug this into here like that. Oops. Sure it goes in. Yes, it does. There, plug it in like that. And these things are just little rubber sleeves that push over the top, so that's nice to know. They just push off when you want to take the body off. Good. It's got the remote control car here. There's a steering rack adjustment there, which I've just centered, and an on-off switch here. So I'll turn it on, turn the remote on, and when the light stops flashing, they're in tune with each other. There's this little thing here, which is called a trim. Now, if you turn it, the wheels just sort of go on their own. So you need to set it to a position where they're stationary, so that then when you pull the trigger back it goes forwards, and when you push the trigger forwards it goes backwards. And again, you've got the steering here. I think the steering rack in the middle is about right, so I'm all set up now, ready to go and try it outside somewhere. So here we are, having a bit of fun outdoors. Just a little tip I picked up from a more experienced radio controlled vehicle user, which is if you hold the thing this way up, it's a bit more intuitive for turning the wheels.